I'll guide you through sending money from Cash App to Zelle without searching for a non-existent direct transfer button, facing failed network transactions, or losing your money to hidden institutional holds. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Cash App operates out of an isolated digital wallet system, whereas Zelle is an instantaneous clearing network built exclusively to route liquidity directly between traditional, participating bank accounts. Because these platforms are closed corporate competitors that do not share native digital rails, attempting to input a Cash App routing number into a Zelle interface will trigger immediate security compliance blocks and reject your fund transfers. But there is a smart way to get it done. So to begin, open the latest Cash App mobile app on your smartphone. Tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the primary home interface. Scroll down to select the linked Banks menu tab options. Input your traditional personal checking account credentials to establish a secure mutual connection. Navigate back to your primary wallet dashboard summary and tap the Cash Out button. Enter the exact transfer amount you want to transfer into your traditional banking system. To move your money completely free of charge within 1 to 3 business days, choose the standard processing option. Alternatively, you require an immediate balance transfer for a minor 1.75% processing fee, select the instant option instead. Close Cash App and log directly into your traditional banking application where Zelle is natively integrated. Select the Send Money with Zelle tool inside your bank's payments menu. Input the targeted recipient's verified email address or registered United States mobile phone number. Confirm your transaction details to finalize the immediate real-time network transfer across the secure banking infrastructure. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.